How to upload high quality stories on Instagram. Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can upload high quality stories on Instagram. So follow along. So first of all, make sure that you are shooting at the highest possible quality. For that, simply head over to your camera app, go over to video settings and check if the highest quality is selected. After selecting the highest quality, close the camera app. Now open the Instagram application and make sure you are logged in. After logging in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now select the hamburger menu at the top right corner of your screen. Here select Settings and Privacy and scroll down to the tab named Your App and Media. Under this tab, tap on Data Usage. In the data usage, select Media Upload Quality and set it to the highest. And that's how you can upload high quality stories on Instagram. Thanks.